Self-centered or self-absorbed people frequently have trouble thinking of others and are more likely to be self-absorbed. Self-centeredness is different from self-care in that the former is thinking entirely of oneself, whilst the latter involves occasionally prioritizing one's needs and taking care of oneself, especially when dealing with a stressful situation. This article explains the telltale characteristics of someone who is overly self-absorbed and offers some techniques to help you comprehend their actions and deal with them. We also assist you in determining whether you may be very self-centered and in learning how to be less so. What indicates a person is self-centered? These 6 indicators point to someone who is overly self-centered. They control the dialogue. According to certified clinical psychologists, self-centered people frequently speak the most in conversations and meetings. When you speak with them, it could seem as though the topic of conversation is solely their life, their successes, and their difficulties. They are insensitive. Putting oneself in another's situation and comprehending their sentiments are necessary for having empathy for others. Self-centered persons might not be able to empathize with others because they are unable to see things from their point of view. They demand more than they can offer. Selfish individuals frequently take more than they offer. Because it seems like you put all of the work into maintaining your relationship with them, without receiving anything in return, it can feel one-sided. They prefer things to be done their way. Self-centered people frequently prefer to have things done their way. They could find it difficult to give in and do things someone else's way. For instance, according to specialist doctors, they often won't let anybody else choose the movie or restaurant. They quickly assign blame and shirk responsibility. Self-centered people may not be able to see their own mistakes and may place the responsibility for errors on others. They are constantly seeking attention. Self-centered persons frequently seek out the spotlight. They could attempt to refocus attention on themselves if it happens to drift to anything or someone else. For instance, if someone shares a humorous incident, someone else may interject with their own story in an effort to top it. Or, if a situation catches everyone's attention, they might figure out a way to become involved and make it all about themselves. According to clinical psychologists, a self-centered individual might even make an effort to make someone feel better by telling them tales about themselves.
Ways to reduce your self-centering. You might be wondering how to make amends if someone in your life has told you that you are too self-centered. Psychologists recommend the following tactics to help you become less conceited. Observe other people. Strive to talk as much as you listen. Find out what opinions others have on a topic. Avoid talking about yourself all the time and instead get to know them better. Sometimes, let them lead the conversation in both your personal and professional lives. You could be pleasantly surprised at what you discover. Engage in activities that others wish to do, to improve and balance your relationship with others. Occasionally join in activities that others choose to do rather than always having things done your way. Increase your empathy. Try this easy activity to develop greater empathy. When someone brings up an issue or challenging circumstance during a conversation, take some time to put yourself in their position and consider your feelings. Observe needs of others. Ask the person you are consoling or assisting what they need from you. Don't personalize the circumstances. Make an effort to pay greater attention to their needs and feelings. Think about therapy. If this is particularly difficult for you, you might want to think about going to therapy to learn more about yourself, your behavior, and how to be more considerate. Counseling is a way to better understand your conduct and learn how to be more considerate. Empathy produces more genuine and long-lasting satisfaction, despite the fact that selfishness could feel nice at the time, and the time being unselfish results in more genuine and long-lasting.
Please smash the like button now and support us by clicking the subscribe button with the bell notification. Please do share and comment your views to understand you better. Thank you. Cheers.